various golf course apartments and Hotel Dunagolf Suites. Okay. It's an ultra modern reception. Very beautiful, beautiful palm trees.
Now let's see the hotel.
Let's see the hotel. Dunagolf Suites. Well, we are starting with the ultra modern, absolutely amazing reception. And look at this. The sitting area is just beautiful. That's the place to pleasure, to spend like in a pleasure time. Yes. Ultra modern hotel extends here. Look at this. Oh wow. Very interesting use of lighting without having a proper windows. And Terracotta Warrior. Yes, there's a restaurant and there's an interesting swimming pool. And some apartments down, up. Hotel complex. And you can just see the back of those Terracotta Warriors.
So we are touring the Hotel Dunagolf Suites in Maspalomas.
The glass everywhere. Very nice design of the place.
It's quite a nice complex of a hotel.
So do not try to.
So later on we are going to have a swim. Yeah. Looks there are not so many people around today. Yeah.
And we have an amazing view of the swimming pools.
Another view of the hotel swimming pool complex.
Oh yeah, very interesting. Beautiful palm trees. Yes, life is good. All the little bungalows, individual bungalows for everybody. It's just a pleasure.
What do you think of the hotel?
Oh, it's marvelous.
Beautiful?
Absolutely marvelous. Okay. Swimming pool complex. Oh yes. Yes. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. We can go to the main living quarters. Lovely palm trees. Okay.
Hola, welcome to our hotel suite.
Yes.
Hotel Dunagolf Suite in Maspalomas.
Look at this. It looks absolutely nice.
So let's see inside.
Come in. So there's a big desk where you can sit and watch TV and read.
Yeah, this is the lounge area.
Lounge area.
And a beautiful sofa.
Oh, very beautiful indeed.
And TV.
Mirror.
Let's look into the bedroom. Come.
Yeah, okay. Oh, look at this. So microwave, cupboard.
So there are two single beds. Looks beautiful. White paint. And
everything is painted white.
Wardrobe.
Look at this one. Very
I
interesting.
can go here. And this is the view from the bedroom to the golf
Golf view.
The golf course.
Oh, wonderful.
And there is
Small veranda, yes.
small veranda at the back.
Uh-huh.
And there is a wardrobe here.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. And the other one? Oh, yes.
It's a safe.
It's a safe, yeah. Uh-huh. Good. Wow.
Is it?
That looks very interesting indeed. So this is the place. Very high ceiling also.
Let's look at the back.
Let's look at the back. It's immaculately clean here. Mm-hmm.
Do not look at the coat.
Oh yeah,
Let's go inside.
beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah.
So let's check the toilet.
Uh-huh. The bathroom or shower room. Yeah. Oh wow.
So
It looks
toilet
stunning. Perfectly
and
clean.
shower.
Oh yeah. Shower, walk-in shower. Mm-hmm. And big mirror.
Hello, from Maspalomas, Gran Canaria.
Yeah, there's also a little hair dryer.
And there's a kitchenette,
Yeah.
small kitchenette.
So there's extractor. This is just extractor.
But we don't buy egg.
Yeah. And this is
If
the
you want to cook, you can ask for the cooking facilities. But
You
this
have
is
a-
that's the basic one. So we have this coffee machine.
microwave
There is
and
a
sink.
sink,
Oh, yes.
small sink,
Good.
and microwave.
And there's also a fridge.
And fridge,
Oh yeah. And
some cabinet,
cabinet. Oh yeah, so there's everything there, you see.
cutlery,
Cutlery. Perfect.
and
Mhm.
things like that. Okay.
And this is wonderful place. Okay.
The house here, the
Oh,
shower, the
spectacularly
bath, shower room.
clean.
Yeah.
It's so clean, it's just absolutely wonderful. Yes, pleasure to be here. Time to relax. We are having jacuzzi. This. Jacuzzi. Cool guy having jacuzzi. And swimming. It looks like the water is okay. Is it waterproof? Shall I put it under the water and have you up on the bottom?
Yes, you can jump.
No, but do you believe it's waterproof? Supposed to be. Okay, lovely.
Swimming in the swimming pool of Dunagolf Hotel, Dunagolf Suites. So this is the swimming pool complex of the Dunagolf Suites Hotel in Maspalomas, Gran Canaria.
that's the time to relax.
Enjoying the
Absolutely.
afternoon sun
Well, it's nearly dawn next
by the hotel swimming pool.
Oh, thank you for being here. Time to relax.
Hola.
All I want